Hello, my fellow insurables. I'm Kelli Arrowsmith, a life insurance agent and broker with Arrow Final Expense. And right now we're going to go over guaranteed acceptance life insurance, what it is and how it works. And stick with me through the video because there's some very important facts about guaranteed acceptance life insurance you're going to want to know. So oftentimes we see TV commercials and ads on the internet for life insurance that sounds great because you don't have to take any kind of medical exam and you don't have to answer any kind of questions about your medical or health history. And best of all, everyone is accepted. So here's the deal with that. No matter who is selling it, who the spokesperson is, no matter what. If this life insurance company is willing to accept anyone and everyone, doesn't care about your medical history or what kind of health issues you have, well, here's the bad part. There's going to be at least a 2-year waiting period before you can receive the full death benefit of the policy. And yes, your favorite game show host and celebrity spokesperson probably forgot to tell you this little tidbit of information during their ad. So these type of life insurance policies are called guaranteed issue life insurance. And they're called that because literally you're guaranteed acceptance. Anyone can get a policy as long as you do meet their age requirements. So you may ask, why would somebody need this or want this type of life insurance coverage? Well, if somebody has a terminal illness, some serious medical conditions, or in some instances a combination of conditions, then they're not going to be able to qualify for any other type of life insurance coverage, and this type of a plan will be crucial to them. So let's get to the details of the plans. As I said before, there is a 2-year waiting period, at least a 2-year waiting period, until this type of a policy will pay out the full death benefit. And this is how that works. When someone starts a policy, let's say this person passes away within the first 2 years, 24 months of having the policy, then the insurance company, instead of paying the full death benefit, would return all of the premiums that were paid plus interest. And this interest is typically 8 to 10%, which will just vary from company to company. Now, once the waiting period is over, whether that is 2 years or 3 years, which is dependent on the life insurance company, then when the insured dies, their benefactor will receive the full death benefit. So Kelli, you may ask, what are the pros of this type of guaranteed acceptance life insurance? Well, fortunately, it is permanent coverage. That means as long as you pay your premiums, the policy will never cancel or expire. The coverage amount that you purchase is permanent. It is never going to change. And the premiums that you pay every month are also permanent and they will never change. Now, these guaranteed acceptance plans typically will offer coverage from $2,000 up to $25,000. So you're not going to be able to get as much coverage as you would with a traditional life insurance policy. And these plans will cover, or you can purchase these plans up to age 80. So here's the real kicker. Here is something very important to know about these guaranteed acceptance, guaranteed issue life insurance policies. They will have higher rates than life insurance policies that you have to medically qualify for, meaning where you are asked health qualifying questions or undergo some type of a medical or physical examination to qualify for the coverage. So here's something good to know. Most people will qualify for a plan that will offer immediate coverage, meaning your coverage starts the day that your policy starts. And by answering some simple health qualifying questions, or yes, even going through a medical exam, you can get quicker coverage, lower rates, and you can get more coverage because those type of plans are obviously going to offer higher amounts of coverage. Now, as I've said, these plans are important. because they serve a specific demographic for those that would not be able to get life insurance coverage any other way. But here's something to remember: no matter how nice these policies sound on TV or on the internet, there are drawbacks. And you should ask the agent or the representative that you're speaking to when you call about these policies, is there a waiting period, or how long will I have to wait until the full death benefit is paid out on this policy? All right, guys, let's recap real quick. Guaranteed acceptance, well, obviously they do accept everyone. Here's the drawbacks. You're going to have at least a 2-year waiting period before your benefits start. The policy is going to have higher rates than traditional life insurance, and they offer limited coverage. Now, the benefits or the pros of these type of policies, hey, they do accept everyone as long as you meet the age requirements. The coverage is permanent, which means it's never going to expire or cancel as long as the premiums are paid. Your coverage amount is guaranteed. It is permanent. It will never change. And the premiums that you pay every month are also permanent, and they will never change. So there you go, guys. I hope that answers your questions about what kind of life insurance offers guaranteed acceptance. So thanks for watching till the end. If you have any questions about today's topic or other life insurance topics, let me know down in the comments, or you can contact me at Arrow Final Expense. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.